Sup YouTube? Here we go. Fuckface. Looking at you live. With my filthy ass Duke 125. Now, I've been doing some research and yeah, fuck you KTM and Akrapovic with your fucking 400-500 pound exhaust slip-on can. So, the chavvy way to do this shit, as you can see, is this. Fucking unbolt that shit. And I'm just gonna run it off the manifold and the cat. That cat should give some good back pressure. I've been told there might be as many as 2 cats on this bike. L plate of shame, yeah. But yeah. So the thing is though, once that is removed, the bike needs to be started and run for 15 minutes without touching the throttle or accelerating or any kind of input. Just let it sit for 15 minutes. Apparently that adjusts the values on the ECU. At least it does with the bigger bikes. Let's see if it works on the 125. But yeah, any comments on that would be great. Most people are saying, man, you're gonna blow up your valves, dude. You're fucking that shit up. But yeah, it's a 125 with 2 cats on it. I'm sure there's plenty of back pressure. Sounds pretty good already. So let me know what's up, guys. Peace.